Black yoni, black phallus. How they turn kings and queens to crack addicts. How they make us lose our sight like bad glasses. They know we invented original mathematics. Black magic, treat home like at Sabbath. I can hear beautiful music and bad static. I attract cash and bags like that's Magnus. Last Maverick, blast fast like Zab Jab. King Anubis, one eye open like the singer Houston sun to set. Peek through deep illusion. I'm a god with power to make gods, and my penis proves it. He's
Our lab was the one who discovered the crack epidemic. We had monkeys smoking crack cocaine in the basement labs at UCLA 13 years before the word was invented, because we knew it was coming. Because,
and again, you're at UCLA?
Yes, I've been here for a long, long time. I came out here from New York. This is one of the few places I could do LSD research at the time, and we were giving LSD and marijuana and all kinds of other drugs to volunteers in the laboratory, and I wanted to move away from animal research and move into people. And it was also an exciting time because lots of new epidemics have started here in California. The psychedelic revolution started here. The methamphetamine epidemic in 69, 70 started here. Crack epidemic in the form of cocaine-free base. Smoking started here in 1971. It hit New York in 1985. So we were always on the cutting edge of things, and it was an exciting place to be, and it still is.
Peace to the fam, peace to the fam. It's Young Didi. I'm back. And the topic, subject matter today pertains to crack. And why not only is crack whack, but I'm here to propound or put forth the facts that will crack your back. Because the more knowledge one consumes, it will make it harder to resume. Meaning it will make it harder to pivot, to move. Because the more you find out, the more knowledge one consumes, this will really hurt you. Like, this will really eat one up inside. So you have to be able to channel and harness the knowledge that you consume, because when it pertains to the truth, it will hurt you, trust me. So the subject matter is crack, and how when it comes to the black community, if you ask who manufactured, who concocted, who made crack, the first picture one would conjure up would be, or the first thing to come to mind would be, the image of a black man. But you're wrong. That is erroneous. That is incorrect, and that is inaccurate. I'm pretty sure that you've been able to dissect and analyze the information that have preceded, that have become before this particular video that I am decomposing, that pertains to crack. This is just another example of the government's involvement in keeping the black masses stagnant and keeping us at a lower frequency. So I'm gonna ask the people to please like, share, and subscribe, because this type of intel, this type of information needs to be shared, because it needs to not only extinguish, aka eradicate, to destroy those misconceptions that we have residing with these misconceptions that we have residing within us as a people, that pertains to us as a people. So please note, we did not make crack, we did not distribute crack, we did not manufacture, we did not produce crack. The government produced this. Not only was it funneled into our community, but it was manufactured. So I say all that to say that we were the original people. We are the first people, not were, pardon me, because were is past tense. We are present tense, the original people. But with that said, that does not mean that everything, with us being the first, does not mean that everything was created by us. You feel me? You know, everything was created by us, but everything was not created by us, if that makes sense. But it should make sense, because that clearly and explicitly means that we did not create everything. You feel me? There's GMOs for a reason. There's man-made things for a reason. So, once again, this is just a quick snippet. I'm Young Diddy, chiming in with the people, and I'm asking you to like, share, subscribe, please. You feel me? It's nothing to like, it's nothing to share. You feel me? Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you can get all the notifications, you know, when I chime in, because please believe this is just a snippet. This is just a snippet of what I'm concocting and putting together for the people. So please chime in, you know. But then again, not everybody wants to consume this type of information, because it's not something that corresponds to their daily life. You feel me? But I'm here to encourage and empower and uplift the people. You feel me? And to put forth knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. You know? And like I said, crack is whack. And please stay in tune to Young Deity, because the more knowledge that you gain, it's gonna cause fragments within your mind, because the more that I put forth, the more truthhood that I put forth. It's gonna spark that light within you, you know. So peace to the fam. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, black love does not equal white hate. Self first. I'm putting self first. You know, we need to concoct and manufacture and process more Malcolm X. We need more Marcus Garveys. We need more Malcolm X. Period. Point blank. We need more brothers that's willing to put themselves out there. You know, regardless of who may see us. You know, and like I said, this is facts that will crack your mother effing back. It's Young Deity, and I'm blacker than ever. And peace to the fam. Salute. Peace to the fam. Remember, each one teach one. Conjure up. I'm sure it's one person you can conjure up within your mind, or you can send this to. Like, share, subscribe. Peace to the fam.